Now we'll see equal size mixed flow reactors in series. In plug flow, the concentration of the reactant decreases progressively through the system. Conversion is progressive. Along the length or along the volume, there is change in concentration. Whereas in mixed flow reactor, concentration drops immediately to a value. So you start with Ca0, and in the reactor at steady state, the concentration immediately drop to some value Ca, which is the same as concentration of exit reactor. And that, assuming that mixed flow reactor behaves as a ideal reactor with those valid assumptions, that it immediately drops, exit concentration is same as the concentration of the reaction mass within the reactor at steady state all the time. And in plug flow reactor, conversion is progressive. At any section, there is concentration is uniform. That is the assumption. That means there is no intermixing of the layer. So every section is a separate identity, you can say. So that is again a idealized model. But ideal reactor models, these are valid, and to a great extent it gives close to experimental results. So ideal reactor design, which we are doing with, which we have done in chapter 5 and now for these schemes, is an approximate design. For actual reactor design, you have to consider non-idealities, and that we will see much later. Because of this fact, plug flow reactor is more efficient than mixed flow reactor for the reaction whose rates increase with the reactant concentration, such as nth order irreversible reactions for n greater than 0, all positive orders. PFR will be more efficient. Consider a system of n mixed flow reactors connected in series. Though the concentration is uniform in each reactor, there is a change in concentration as fluid moves from one reactor to another reactor. Okay. Now we will see the concentration profile through an n stage mixed flow reactor system as compared to the single flow system. Okay. Single mixed flow reactor, and there can be n. N may be 2, 3, 5, 30, anything. So here, what this figure suggests, that the larger the number of units in series, closer is the behavior to the plug flow. So you can see here, these are the stages shown. This is Ca is entering the first reactor, and if only one reactor is there, this is leaving the first reactor. Then you consider 5 reactors, so there will be 5 stages. So it is entering the first reactor, exit concentration from the first reactor is represented here. Then entering the second reactor, exit concentration from second, same is the entry to third, then exit from the third, same is entering the fourth, this is exit from the fourth, same concentration entering the fifth and exit, same Ca out. So here we are using single, then 5 different stages. And you go on increasing this number. If you increase this to 30, so these are the stages will be smaller and smaller. And if you increase this number still further, these stages will be so small that it will coincide with this curve representing the concentration. And this type of curve, this is same as plug flow behavior. We will see this in details. So we will analyze this quantitatively. Earlier we have seen qualitative analysis. The behavior of reactors of n equal size mixed flow reactors. Equal sized. Okay. Density changes negligible. We are assuming it as negligible. T is same as tau here. Okay, this tau is missing. I will place this tau here. Okay. As a rule, with mixed flow reactors, it is more convenient to develop the necessary equations in terms of concentrations rather than fractional conversion XA. So in terms of CA rather than XA. Therefore, we use this approach. The nomenclature used in the figure, which refers to the earlier plot which we have discussed. V1 tau 1, V2 tau 2, Vi tau I and Vn tau n is the last reactor. So in V1 what is entering? C0. In V2 entering is C1, leaving is C2. Ith reactor entering from I minus 1th reactor and leaving I. And in nth reactor entering the exit stream from n minus 1th reactor, and this is leaving as Cn. So this is the nomenclature and equal mixed size reactors in series. So this XA1, XA2, CA1, CA2 you can use, or you can drop the subscript A which represents component A for the sake of brevity.